Hello everybody, I hope you all are having a fantastic day or night depending on wherever you are in the world. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a follow-up to the video I made yesterday about Twitch, how to get followers for Twitch streamers, and they complete CPA offers and you get them the 1000 likes for free. So as you can see right here, first of all, before I get into that, as you can see this post that I shared in the community tab, you can see this person right here took action and they got results. Though it may not be a lot of money, but that is how you start to build yourself up. If you make your first dollar, then you will have the confidence to know that you can make another dollar. What am I saying in essence is, if you take action in whatever I share on this channel, I can guarantee you that you will actually get results. And I see a lot of people complaining all day about this and that not working for them. You know, I can share all the methods, but if you don't put in the work, if you don't take action, then there is no way you are going to get results. It's better you take action and make mistake than not taking action at all and just complaining all day about this and that not working for you. You know, you can't make money that way if you just want to keep on complaining and do nothing about it, you know. But anyway, with that out of the way, I believe I showed this Facebook group in yesterday's video. If you can remember, I made this comment in the Facebook group, and as you can see, the post got approved. And if you remember, this was the landing page I made. This was the first one. This was the second landing page that I made. So, and I also showed you guys that Twitch traffic, majority of Twitch traffic comes from the United States alone. So you can expect majority of people who are going to be looking to get their followers up on Twitch are from the United States. I'm going to prove to you. As you can see, if I scroll down, you can see a lot of people drop their links. So, and I'm going to prove to you that majority of these guys are from the United States. Okay, so let's say this account, for example. As you can see here, this person is from North Carolina. So you can see I can send a message to this person by clicking on this message. So if I click on this, you can see my messenger is going to pop up, as you can see right here. And if I leave a message and directing this person to this link, as long as you are using a landing page, trust me guys, they are going to jump on the free followers because they are not spending a dime to get the followers. All they need to do is complete a free offer and they get the followers for free. So they are not losing anything at all. So if I go back here, so let me check another random account. So let's say this one. You can see this person is from Chicago, I believe. All right. So you can see a lot of people like that. So let me check this one out. This is Upper College. So I don't know where that is. Let me check it. Upper College. You can see Upper College is also from Illinois in the United States. As you can see right here, location is in United States. So you can see this person is from Upper College and the person is from the United States. If I click on, let's say this one, okay, this one didn't leave its location. Let's see this one, others field. I don't know where that is too, but let's check on Google and see where others field is. So others field is in the United Kingdom. Okay, it's not from United States. So there are a lot of people like that. You know, you can see this person is from Colorado. It's also in United States. You can see this person also is from the United States. You can see guys, if you take action on my method and you do everything I said in my videos, trust me, you are going to make money as well, as long as you put in the work. Okay. All right. So let's do a little math real quick. So as you can see right here, at the time of making this video, this post is currently at 52 comments. Let's be a little bit minimal. And let's say just half of them decided, you know, to up on the landing page to complete the offer to get the followers. Let's just say half of them. So which is going to be 26. I believe half of 52 is 26. So let's say 26 times $1.56 cents. That is usually the minimum offer for email submit. Usually, okay. You can see that it's $40. Just for this one post alone, that is $40, and that is just half of them. Okay, that is just half of them. So imagine I join other Facebook groups and then I leave this same message. As you can see, my post got approved. The admin did not block my post or anything. So literally anybody can do this method for free and you can start making money. So literally you have no excuse. Okay, and I see a lot of people complaining that they only get clicks, they don't get conversion, and that is usually, and that depends on a lot of factors. You may be targeting the wrong audience, or you are not giving them something that would entice them to click on your link. Okay, you may have the right traffic, but you might not have something that will make them click your link. As you can see here, you are promising to give them followers. Who doesn't want free followers? Okay, you can see you are giving them an offer that they cannot resist. Okay, as you can see, they don't have to spend a dime to get these followers. You can see this post says, drop your link, I will get you followers and live views. You can see right here that I am basically doing all the work for them. All they need to do is drop their link. You can see how I made it so easy for them to take action. So basically, you may have the right traffic, but if you don't have a good offer that is going to be enticing to them, then they will click on the link, but they won't complete the offer because what you are offering them is not enticing enough. So that is usually what happens when you have clicks and you don't have any lead. So you want to make sure the offer is good enough. Okay, so let's say I joined about 10 groups to do this. Okay, this is just an example. There are thousands of groups, for Twitch followers, thousands of groups, trust me guys. So let's say I joined only 10 groups. You can see this is over $400. Okay, and this is just, we are using the base number of 26 people. There are other groups that are larger than this. Literally all you need to do is take action and start making money. You don't need to start reading comments of people who are going to be discouraging you that they are not getting results. Just take action, like this person right here, best product. As you can see, he earned probably his first dollar on CPA grip, I believe. As you can see, this is one of my videos that I shared on this channel, and this guy took action and he has started seeing results. So I can't stress the importance of taking action enough. If you don't take action, then there is no way you are going to get results. And also for those who are looking to take their CPA marketing to the next level, I mean passive income. If you want to make passive income with CPA marketing, then you want to click on the link in the description to get into this course. Many are seeing results already. Okay, so with that out of the way, so if you find any value at all in this video, then please leave a like on this video. And if you have any question at all, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next